Hello, lovelies. Good day. My name is Anastasia Oposo and welcome. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? I hope it was as refreshing as mine. All right. So, this morning, because it's a money making Monday, I am showing up on your screen to talk to us about investment and the types of investment we have out there. I mean, not for now boldly tell you that I am an investment expert, but of course, I'm gearing towards that. But I can tell you that I read a lot about investment. I make researches about investment because it's my line of business. Also, I have been equipped. Sometimes last year, I paid for a program, sometimes in September, October, but it was postponed for some reasons. Finally, January this year, I had the opportunity to run the program and completed it and came up with an upper credit. Okay. Okay. So part of the program syllabus was finance and money. And during that section, we had a lot of exposure on finance, money, investment, and all of that. So I can tell you that I am equipped to talk to you about investment. So I'll be starting with the definition of investment. All right. An investment is an asset, is an item or a commitment of fund with a goal. There should be a goal when you're committing your fund, and that single goal, it's usually either to generate an income or to generate to see your um, fund gaining appreciation in value. All right. So when you do that, you have embarked on an investment. Now, what are the types of investments? One of the types of investment is stocks and shares. I'm sure a lot of us know about this. We are quite knowledgeable about stocks and shares. A lot of persons buy bank shares and other big company shares, buy their stocks. Okay. In finance, it is usually referred to as equity investment. Another type of investment is bond, where you do borrowing with the view of getting back your capital plus its accrued interest at a much later time. Then we also have mutual funds where friends or a party come together to contribute or to save up money. And most times they take turns in collecting this money. It's also a type of investment. We also have cash investments, all right, usually by way of fixed deposits. Some persons have lump sum of money and then they put it in the bank and lock it up for years. It's also a type of investment. Or sometimes some people save up in currencies that are more stable or that has higher potential of appreciation. For example, the naira is falling, it's no news. I have a couple of friends that have exchanged all their naira currencies to dollar, right? Because of at least dollar is more stable and it has high potential of appreciation. It's also a type of investment. Then we also have commodities, right? Where people invest in items, basic commodities, agro products, lifestyle, commodities like gold. I've seen persons buy gold, jewelries, buy gold just to sell at a much later time when it has appreciated. It's also a type of investment. Then finally, I want to talk about real estate investment. For me, this is the investment that appeals most to me. And it's not because I am being biased, it's not because it's my line of business. You have Google, do your research and find out about investments. For one thing, real estate or land, it consists of three elements: the things under, the value of the land, the things under, which could be the mineral resources underneath. It could also be the value of the land itself. Of course, buildings, whether for commercial, for industrial, or for residential purposes. So generally, land consists of not just the surface you're seeing, but every single improvement that has been done on the land, whether it's natural or whether it's man-made, water, trees, bridges, homes, buildings. These are all real estate. It does not die. It is immovable. Over the years, it is tested and trusted as one sure way of growing wealth, generational wealth. Now, think about it. Why would a bank not give you a loan to buy its own shares, but they would give you a loan to buy real estate, to buy properties? Most of the big property developers we have out there, they borrow from the bank to buy these large expanses that they sell out in bits, right? Now, also think about it. Why does a bank always look out for properties, especially titled ones, of course, as a means of collateral when you go for a loan? Why? But they wouldn't accept their own shares. Why? Okay, ask yourself why. And then also when you go for interviews, probably you want to japa, you want to travel out, they're always looking out for your land papers, your property papers, your house papers. Okay, that is to tell you that it is no news that property investments is just the sweetheart of all investment. Now, you feel free to tell me about your best kind of investment, or which of the investment appeals to you the most, and of course why. Why does that appeal to you? I've just told you what appeals to me the most and why it does appeal to me. All right, but here is the good news. Whether your pocket size is light, whether it's medium, whether it's very heavy, we've got something for you. You can start from where you are. You can start from properties that are less than 1 million, okay, to the ones that are very heavy. All right, depending on the place you are right now, you can invest into property. We've got affordable, safe, and of course, profitable property investment opportunity for everyone. If you would like to know more, get in contact with me today and I'll be glad to walk you through. All right. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your weekend, the rest of your week rather. Have a great week. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.